Good evening, YouTubers. New Time Travel Behind Me 88. I'm back with another video, and tonight time for another unboxing video. So this week got another package from my good friend Josh Cook, and if you guys don't know who he is, make sure you check out Joshua Cook's channel, and I'll put the link in the description below. So let's not waste any time. Let's begin. Okay, let's start with the unboxing video. First one he sent me. This is the one I'm familiar with. This is the Friendship Field, and that has Kate Mabley in there. Here's the back. "85 minutes. Here's the sticker label. No print date on this tape. Okay, we gotta move quickly here. And the next one I've never seen this movie, but this is The Story Lady, and this is aired on NBC with Jessica Tandy. And this is the edited version of it from Feature Films for Family. And I have never seen this one, but guess what Josh also sent me? Two Doctor Who's. Oh yes. This is my first Doctor Who on on VHS. And this is from Fox Video, from CBS Fox Video. This is the Androids of Terror with Tom Baker and Mary Tam. Air date for this, November 25th through December 16th, 1978. Eighth week of 1996, and here's Tom Baker's swan song, Logopolis. I am planning to start doing my Doctor Who's on VHS. Oh yeah. 1981. '42nd week of 1993. Thanks, Josh, for sending me two Doctor Who. And I got more Doctor Who coming from eBay, and I'm going to show it off for my update. But let's move on. Here's Amy Grant in The Heart in Motion. Where the Red Ferns Grow. James Whitmore and Beverly Garland. I've never seen this one. April 21st, 1993. This is from Family Home Entertainment. Season of the Heart. Not so keen on that one. But here's the one I do familiar with, the Buttercream Game. This is aired on, I've seen this on HBO Family. So, bits and pieces, but I'm going to check out and see how much I love this film. This is 93 minutes. And in the last VHS I'm familiar is the Little House on the Prairie pilot movie, and I know I have some of the Little House episodes on VHS from Good Times, but this is the pilot movie. I also have the entire series on on DVD. Excuse me. And this is an Avon copy, June 10th, 1994. Okay, and put this back in here. this is the movies I'm familiar with. Oh yeah. Now, here's one more. Now, here's the DVDs. Some I never heard of before, but anyway. Strawberry Shortcake, Berry Blossom Festival. I know one of my friends, I forgot which middle school teacher daughter loves Strawberry Shortcake, but even though my cousin, she screamed. Yeah, long story, but yeah, and that's what my aunt told me that. And this one, guess how much I love you. Never seen that one either. Now here's the Morgan Freeman 6 movies of excellent, but some of the movies I never heard of, but actually it's 4 of them. So never seen. It's only 4 films, so I've never seen that one, and I've also never seen Beyond the Lights. So sorry, folks, I cannot show you the back of it because for safety reasons. But I do familiar with Hannah Montana Forever. But I know my friend, a good friend of mine, because she likes Miley Cyrus. This one is Miley Says Goodbye. And ooh, ouch. And this one is Hannah Montana Forever. My friend Sierra Lee, she fan of Miley Cyrus. All right. Okay, so thanks Josh for sending me the movies. Make sure, and tomorrow I got movies myself, and I'm going to show you guys what movies I got in my collection. And I got it back on Wednesday. No, actually, yeah. No, yes, Wednesday. So be on the lookout for that. So see you in the next video.